Hey, good morning, everyone. Today is 1st of March 2024. It is around 9:27 a.m. in the morning. Okay, as you can see from the right screen, um, today is Friday, right? We don't really have much going on for today, right? We have some ISM item coming up. But I think if you compare to those data that will be coming out next week, I think, the next week is going to be the important one. I think start of this week, I also mentioned to you guys that this week might not be so important because next week, which will be much more important than this week itself. You can see here, next week we have a Powell will be testifying, right? And other than that, we also have many others rate statements. We have a Euro rate statements, we have a Canadian rate statements, and of course, we also have a non-farm payroll. So no wonder this week is have been a little bit, like a sideways, kind of like here and there. Market is not really moving too much, except Bitcoin, of course. I mean, in terms of Forex, this is what it is. Okay, so I just want to summarize on this matters. I would say this week for Forex, I think is more or less going to be just nothing indifferent, and I think the most important one going to be the next week for Forex market. Okay, so please be aware of that. Next week we have a Federal Reserve Chairman Powell will be testifying. I guess he is going to speak something about the rate cut, something to the rate cut. Okay, I'm quite sure. I think this will gonna be a big move. It will happen by then. Okay, so this is something that you need to be careful about. All right, so let's start with the analysis together. Okay, I have more or less I've already prepared previously. I've gone through one, so today should be a bit of a faster manner because I have written down all my analysis on my notebook already. So what you are seeing right now is that, as usual, the left side is our CFD and the right one is our future chart, as usual, right? Okay. So what is happening to British pound? As you can see, British pound they are in the very big sideways swing mode. Okay, just give me a minute. Much of the sideways mode. I'm expecting this week going to be like just nothing but a big yo-yo. So I expect market will likely to do some retest to the support side, which they are retesting right now. Right, you can see they are pretty much in the yo-yo mode. And you can see all the profiles are pretty much in the middle, this kind of like a distribution. So it's market is really much in the yo-yo mode. I think what will happen is that maybe by next week or so, they will have a strong rebound to the upside. And I think sooner or later, they will break it up again. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting to happen in overall. Okay, so the only problem is, I mean, of course, we have not seen it yet. So we need to make sure it start to unfold first. So currently, since I'm more prompt on the bullish side, so currently I will be waiting. Okay, so that's why my today analysis is I'm slightly bearish because of the price action of yesterday, but I won't be taking any short position. Instead, I will wait for the bullish candle to appear. Maybe it will appear today, or maybe it will go to here then appear. So no hurry. I'm no hurry to take any position at all. I will just wait for them to appear first. Because I'm expecting, as far as the analysis go, I think market will sooner or later will turn back up. Okay, so now the market is not showing any setup yet, so we wait. Okay. All right. Another one is Euro. Okay, let me go through with Euro. So almost all of them are in the same particular format. Actually, they are in the same themes rather. Okay, so Euro also quite similar. We can see that the market is pretty much on the like go up a bit, just pull back a bit. This kind of mode going on right now. Same thing. 1 or 2 days later, I won't be surprised we will be seeing some bullish candle. Trading, yeah, we cannot be like a bullish candle buy, bearish candle sell. We cannot do like that because if we keep on doing this, market will swing you out. Like just a market will roll you over. Because even in the uptrend, there will be a bit of down day. Even in the downtrend, there will be a bit of up day. So our job is in the uptrend, our job is to filter out the down day and try to stay with the trend itself. Okay. So this is what is happening. I think market will eventually go up higher. It's just that, waiting for some support level and some bullish candle to appear. All right. Okay. As you can see here, we have a good control level around here, and we have another good control level around here. Right. So I'm expecting market to tend to the upside soon. I will even I mean, it will even make it better. Market like go down a bit lower first, then make it bullish candle by here. That will make it a little bit more. I would think it's logical in my opinion. So we are not in the hurry to long at all. So I will just KIV. All right. So currently it's also the same thing like British pound. I'm slightly bearish, but I won't be taking short position. Instead, I will wait for some bullish candle and support level for potential long. Okay. So this run up is already happened already. Yeah. So I will going to take it away. Okay, I'm going to take it away. So, all right. So same thing. I will just wait on them, not trading anything on this guy as well. Okay, Aussie. Aussie, yesterday I found, we can notice that there's some attempt to the upside, right? You can see the price really go to the upside, right? The price really go to the upside. But of course, they could not do it within 1 day. That's why market really go back down lower. So it's to prove that there's also some so-called the bearish strengths are really stay exit in the market, right? Stay in the market. So I would like to monitor further. Same thing. We need at least minimum today candle to be bullish. So I will not be buying and I will not be selling. All right. So same thing. I will be slightly bearish. I will not be selling. Instead, I will look for a potential bullish to buy first. As you can see, market could not break this level at the moment, right? So that's why they are going back down. Maybe by the time next week, Powell speak something about the rate cut, he gonna favor rate cut, this kind of stuff. If he says something, I think this will be the trigger by then. Okay, so market is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Okay, so I'm slightly bearish, but I won't be selling. Instead, I will wait it out for the time to become bullish again. I hope we are all clear on this. Okay, sometimes trading is waiting, gentlemen. I would rather wait with no position than being in the position and hoping that you didn't took that position. All right. So, well, I'm sure we have been through a lot, right? Okay. All right. New Zealand. New Zealand is our weekly. We are kind of like on a bullish note. Okay, so we need to find out what is going to happen this weekend as well when the data come out. I am expecting some bullish case scenario soon. Okay, so are we seeing on the price session? Not yet, right? Because today candle is not confirmed yet. Small minor bullish candle, but not confirmed. So why am I saying that we might see some bullish case scenario? Because we see we are in a very good support level already. So supposedly we need to have some rebound and we should have some upside potential. So which is not happening yet. So what we do, we wait, all right? So same thing, slightly bearish, but I will be taking sell position. Instead, I will wait out for some bullish candle. I think the earliest we should take long is maybe by early next week, in my opinion. All right. One thing we can, which is good for us is that we wait out for this weekend data, see whether it support the bullish scenario or not. If yes, then we have more reason for us to long on the coming week already. Okay. So currently is all of them just waiting only. Okay. All right. So this on them. Okay, let's talk about gold here. Same thing. You can see that left side is a future. Left side is CFD. Right side is a future. Right. Okay. So we have a nice breakout on gold. Okay, they have been really trying hard to break this level, and of course we are not really out of the wood yet because currently the market is still trying to break this level, which is not yet happening. But anyway, we have to give it to the yesterday attempt, right? We have a very nice bullish looking candle show up yesterday. If you watch my few video previously, all right, I have not really been bearish on them. Actually, instead, I'm saying that, market will likely to go and retest this level. And I think which is already happening right now. So yesterday candle is a healthy bullish candle. So I think market will likely to retest further in my opinion. So this will be my first KIV for today. All right. I think market will definitely will go to 2059, 2060 region. Okay, this is in line with our weekly plan as well. So stay on the buy side, gentlemen. Okay, don't sell on this fella. Okay, I think it should go further to the upside. Okay, moving on. Silver. Silver also same. All right, silver instead is our weekly recommended position. All right, we recommend for you to long. And I think we really waited nicely. I think market is really going to go up a lot higher. I think Mark Saver is over to catch up, do the catch up soon, in my opinion. I would say they will definitely will retest 23 region. I mean, very likely, not 100%, but very likely. Okay. I think market will go to retest this level soon, in my opinion. We have a very nice pin bar 2 days ago. Yesterday is a very nice follow-up candle. I think market will definitely go up higher. $23. All right. So silver is my first recommendation for today, gentlemen. Okay. Yesterday also my recommendation, if you watch my yesterday video, and if we take according to the recommendation, we will be making money by now already. Okay. So I think it will definitely or most likely will go up higher. All right. Silver is bullish, gentlemen. Okay. Let's move on. US dollar Canadian. US dollar Canadian start to see signs of weakness. All right. As you can see, or you can already see here, all right, they are seeing signs. So double bottom in the future market. So it show that double top in the our CFD market. So I think market will definitely will retest to the lower end, in my opinion. All right. So I'm neutral or slightly bearish on them. Don't buy at all. Okay, let's move on. US dollar CHF. Okay, Swiss franc is pretty much, I think they are trying to retest to the lower end. So what they can do is that they can go to here. They can go to the kind of like double bottom kind of thingy. Let me show. Double bottom. They can go to double bottom. So they can go to double top kind of condition. So same thing, slightly bullish or bullish, but I think they are going to be in stop soon, in my opinion. All right, so I'm slightly bullish on them. Let's see whether the bearish candle show up soon or not. So I won't be going long for this guy. All right, just give me a minute. Okay, make this one a little bit bigger. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on. So far, I have one recommendation, which is silver long, and I have one KIV, which is gold on the buy side. Okay, another one is JPY. You can start to see JPY, US dollar JPY start to drop a little bit already. You see on the left chart. All right, you see on the left chart, you can start to see the price start to drop a little bit already. So same thing, I think we have this analogy, right? Market will likely do like this is a double bottom kind of thingy, and I think they're gonna be having soon will be double top here. All right, no hurry to sell. I think you can wait it out for some bullish flush. Okay, what do I mean by bullish flush? Bullish flush mean market will likely to go up higher first, and then wait until the candle turn. So I think this is what's gonna happen. So no hurry to short, wait it out first. Okay, so I'm neutral on them. Okay, so just have a quick recap on them. All right, so I have one recommendation, which is silver long, and one more KIV, which is a gold long. That's it. Okay, that's it for this Friday. All right, this arrow is already happening, so I'm gonna take it away. I'm gonna take it away. So now let's move on to US market. All right. US market was a bit like in a pullback mode for past few days, right? Then they kind of recover yesterday, which is I think kind of expected. You can see we have a very nice pin bar, and the price action of following up. Not exactly the super strong one, but stay yet the bullish candle anyway, right? So I think market will likely retest the previous high and, this middle of the past few days data. So what am I talking about is here. Another one is around this region. So I think market will go back to around like a 2900 level, in my opinion. 39.1K level, in my opinion. So don't sell. All right. I think market stay can go back up higher. All right. I hope you got my point. That put here. Okay. Another one is Hong Kong. Hong Kong is something that we are really focusing on. All right. Then we have a position on them as well. All right. You see, for the past few days, they have a 1 day very bearish candle. Then then kind of like they are shaking people out. And if you can see this candle, yeah, this is very nice. You see, today candle is very interesting candle. You see, market open and go lower, and now they are really trying to be higher than the open itself. So to me, they have a very strong bullish energy here. All right, I think Hong Kong is going to go a lot higher, gentlemen. It's just that once in a while they will test here, test there, this kind of stuff. But eventually Hong Kong will go up higher. So my plan on them is that I will just keep on waiting out, slowly adding position, and then try to make the money. Try to make the most money out of it. Okay, we are already in the very deep profit already, so just hold. Maybe if let's say go up higher, I will just add some more. But of course, along the way, we have to watch our risk accordingly as well. But the direction for now is quite clear to me that it is going to be go up higher. Okay, gentlemen. Hey, ask you, do you have any Hong Kong position like I do or not? Because I share my trade call with you guys actually. Do you have it? Do you have them? Not have it. Have them. Do you have them or not? Okay, you can answer in the comment section. You do, okay, congratulations, brothers. Okay, I have two, so I think more to come in my opinion. Okay, if let's say, if do well, I'll add some more. Okay, all right. Okay, German index. Okay, you can see it will definitely follow Dow Jones. All right, they are very similar. I think market will likely go up higher first. I don't really see any bearish indication yet. Put it this way. Okay, so this on the German index. Okay, let's move on to this guy. I think this is also quite interesting. All right, we have a position, right? We have a position and we are in the bill. Decently profited already. All right, so I think we're gonna hold for quite a while. All right, we're gonna hold for quite a while, see how much money we can squeeze out from this trading, this setup. Okay, okay. Currently, they are, they're having really nicely bullish run, and at the moment they're kind of sideways because of the, they have some resistance level, but I think sooner or later they're gonna break out higher. So they are like, you can see some technical terms, something like that. So I think what's going to happen is something like this going to happen. Okay, I foresee the crude oil or energy commodity in particulars. I think it's going to go a lot higher. All right, so just go with the flow. Look for the buy only. All right, look for the buy only. Try to wait for a pullback price action on the bullish side, then you buy in. Okay, so I'm overall stay slightly bullish, gentlemen. This guy, no hurry to sell at all. Okay, I think sooner or later they're gonna break out. Okay, another three is the same gang. I think they are really testing people out. Okay. I will be kind of like neutral at the moment. All right. But sooner or later we should expect some bullish case scenario. Then you can ask me, hey, Joy, why are you bullish while you are neutral right now? No, they're two different things. I expect to be bullish, but currently I'm neutral. So the moment the market start to show some sign, for example, like price action, bullish, right? Then I will be bullish, and I also plan to be bullish, right? So that means they will be confirming each other. Then we can take a position. Okay, currently I'm waiting for some bullish price action to appear. That's why I'm neutral right now. Okay, so don't say at least. Okay, soybean same. All right, soybean having really testing our nerve actually. All right, you can see. Look at the yesterday candle, like they really sell down throughout the day. But in the end of the day, there's some, pin bar coming in already. So there's a minor bullish energy in this particular movement of yesterday. Okay, so I expect we may see some bullish candles soon. So we have to, wait until it appear. Today, I would definitely will not buy this position. All right, I would like to wait for this weekend data plus more price action. Maybe next week. Okay. Okay, corn, gentlemen. Corn is nice. All right, I think market will likely to go up higher. Same thing. Either you buy or wait and buy only. Okay, so just wait and buy lah. Right, that's it. Right, my projection is here. Sooner or later it should hit. So now, currently we have some meeting with some resistance level. All right, so I think what they can do is they can go to this support level before they bounce around, in my opinion. So, wait and buy will be the better choice. You can see yesterday already. Sorry, hang on. You can see yesterday already, right? Hang on, let me redraw again. You see yesterday there's a bit of testing going on already. So I won't be surprised if you have a bullish candle today. All right, by end of today, we have a bullish candle. Let me know. I will be checking again. And yeah, let me know whether what I say come true or not. Okay. All right. Another one is BTC. Wow, BTC is really nice recently. Okay. Okay, what has happened to BTC? BTC, we just don't look at this. We have to look at some tools, right? Remember? Okay, so we look at them. Okay, hang on. You can see BTC for the past, I would say on 27th of February, 28th of February, 29th of February. This 3D, we have a very big jump on this stable coin minting. All right. I mean, of course, 27 is the biggest, 28 is a little bit smaller, and 29 is the smallest. So you can see, you also can see the candles are really, I think they are proportionate, right? You can see 27 is big, 28 is even bigger, but 29 start to catch up with the on the left chart already. So I think what's gonna happen is that we are seeing some sort of pullback right now. I think which is totally logical. All right, because you see for the past 3 days, the momentum have been slowing, and one more thing is that this is a little bit worrying. Okay, we are still too early to sort of like make a conclusion because today is 1st of March, maybe it's only in the Asia session. So right now there's some so-called like this is minting. The market is going up in minting, right? If the market is going down, they are call it burning, right? So basically they are burning some stable coin. So what is mean is that that means there's some cash going out from the crypto ecosystem. So I mean they are redeeming their money, lah, put it this way. So if this continue lower, that will have a bit more negative pressure on the Bitcoin itself. Or if the price go lower, right, but this guy continue go up higher, that will be the very bullish divergence appear. All right, so we have to see. Okay, let me show you one good example of the divergence, okay? Let me show you one example of the divergence. Or example, we have a very good sell in the very big sell, rather big sell here, which is around, let me show you, around 11th of January to until around 24th of January. It's around 10 days, all right? So what really happened this period in terms of the market flow? And let me just make it sure. 11th of January. Okay, there we go. 11th of January, around there, all right? 11th of January and until 21st, right? Which day is it? Okay, the last day is 23rd of January. Let's see where's 23rd of January. You see 23rd of January. Okay. And even more on the, I think even the better one is you can see on the 24th and 24th of January. Okay, so the point here is that you see when the market was selling, the price it was selling, but you see the flow. The flow is did you see the flow going down or going up? Actually, the flow is actually going up, right? So that was a very good divergence, you see. Or instead, rather, that was a very good buying opportunity. Okay, so you can see already. So I will rather say this is the left side is more of the leading indicator than the right one itself. Okay, so now we need to be a bit careful. If the market the flow start to drop, that will have a bit of bearish case scenario we may face. But too early to say. All right, too early to say. So just let's see. And I think in terms of the price, since the market is they run up too fast, I think it's logical for them to do a bit of minor pullback, in my opinion. Okay, so overall, Bitcoin is not so bearish just yet. A routine pullback likely, and I will become more bearish if they significantly, if this data significantly get lower. Okay, so currently I will be like neutral. I would rather wait for a buy position at some support level. So Bitcoin don't enter long now. We wait it out for another long. Okay, so yeah, just carry a bit. Don't chase the market right now. Okay, so adding on, since the Bitcoin is taking a bit of like a break, right? Or if let's say it's sideways, I think we might have some bullish case scenario on the altcoin. Okay, so there's something for us to carefully watch on. Okay, if let's say Bitcoin is sideways, the altcoin will likely go up higher. Of course, the Bitcoin drop a lot. Of course, altcoin will drop also, right? So this is something that you need to be careful on. Currently, I won't be trading Bitcoin long for now. Okay. Okay, I hope you got my point. Let's go on the next one. Next guess. Last one. Okay, last one. Okay, next guess, we have a long position and now we are in a decently profit. All right, currently I won't be adding just yet because we are already touching some resistance. So we have to carry our position. but I think sooner or later the natural gas will likely to go back up higher. So same thing, right? They may do some real testing here, but they were likely to break out soon. So I'm quite neutral, but I will wait for buy instead. Okay, so let me know if there's any bullish case scenario coming up. Okay, bullish case scenario coming up possibly by earlier next week. Okay, so currently we just KIV, we hold our position. All right, so it's come to the end of our the daily analysis. Okay, I have I mean you have to do your own due diligence, but I have two items I'm watching closely. The first one is rather the recommendation, which is a silver to the buy side. And the second one is KIV. KIV is a little bit, one level lower than the recommendation. So I'm looking gold into the buy side. I think we have a very interesting setup that it will be unfolding soon. But don't get too excited. I would like to end with this notion. This week is not important. The more important one is next week. Okay, please be aware of that. Don't trade a lot. I don't want you to get trap or stuff like that in the coming week. Next week is a rather important one. Okay, so guys, thank you very much, and have a great day ahead, and have a great weekend ahead. See you guys over the weekend for my inner circle member. Thank you. Bye for now.